How are we doing? This is Dr. Doug, Integrated Health Solutions, here with Brado. Tell us a little bit about what brought you in, Brado.
I've been having knee pain, so that's why I came here, because I tried other places and then didn't work.
Okay.
And in here, I've been here like 3 weeks.
Yeah, 3-4 weeks, I think, somewhere in that range.
And it helped a lot already.
Okay.
The pain's like, it's not gone completely, but it's gone. Most of it is gone.
Okay. Yeah,
So
I know we're kind of discussing probably 70-80% range at this point.
70-80%, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What kinds of things had you tried before you came in? I know you said you've been other places.
I've been other places. I tried doctors. They were trying to do some shots, and I didn't want to do that, and so
Okay.
I tried to. That's why I came here.
Okay. All right.
Nothing worked. Nothing. I tried a shot, but it didn't work.
Okay, gotcha. Glad things are doing better.
Yeah,
and then
it's a lot better.
as far as if somebody had some hesitancy or had question marks on whether they should come in or not, I guess what would you say to them?
I would recommend this place 100%.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate your time, and I'm glad things are doing great.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks, Brado.
Yeah.